going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sam Alxr and I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be customizing a pair of black and white Vans Old Skools. Probably the most iconic pair of Vans that are just the simple black and white pair, and I'm going to be turning them into the most iconic designer shoes that are the Louboutins with the red bottom sole, the spikes on the foot, the glittery shiny effect. It's going to be cool, so make sure you stick around. Before I get into the video though, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel, turn the bell too so you can find every single time I upload a brand new video. And if you do enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Now let's get straight into it. Getting straight into the custom then, the shoes I'm using are a pair of black and white Vans Old Skools. I've already painted on the base coat using Angelus's direct leather paint, so the upper is ready for a new colour. Before I can give the soles that classic Louboutin branding and paint the soles red, I've got to remove the factory finish, and to do that I'm using nail polish remover and a cotton pad. For the soles I'm using the 5A colour paint and making them red bottoms. Three coats of paint later and the soles are completely done. Now for the spikes, I bought these off of Amazon and then measured at 7mm by 10mm. Before I can put the spikes on, I've got to make the holes for them first using this tool. The placement of the spikes has to be as precise as possible. To do this, I'm going to first decide the layout, then after that mark the toe box using yellow paint to show where the holes need to be made for the spikes. So now I've decided the layout for the spikes. I'm going to use the yellow paint to mark the suede so I know where to make the holes. Okay, so now I've marked the toe box, the layout for the spikes is clear and I know where they should go. So now I'm just going to put the holes in for the spikes. And the first hole is completely done. Luckily it was a lot easier than I expected it to be. Now to put the spike in, I've got to put the screw up and in from the inside of the shoe. Once the screw is poking through, I can screw the spike on, and I've got to make sure that it's tight so it won't fall off. As you can see, the first one's now done and it's just not going to come off at all, not like how much I shake it or whatever. It's pretty securely tightened on. So that's the first one done, 23 left to go. Now as you can see, I'm just poking all of the holes in, then afterwards, one by one, I'm going to put all of the spikes in. The hardest part of the toe box to put the spikes on is definitely further towards the front of the shoe. Luckily, balancing the screw on the tip of my finger works pretty well. Once the spikes are all in and attached securely, I'm going to paint them all black to match the colour of the suede toe box. I've just got to make sure they're super tight and that they won't fall off first before I can do that though. Then, once they're all done, I'm just going to go ahead and paint them using the black paint. So to paint the spikes black, I'm using Angelus Direct paint in flat black. Before I can add the glitter to the upper part, I've got to paint the white part yellow as a base coat for the glue and the glitter. That way, if any glitter does come off, it won't be as noticeable. The glue I'm using is called PVA. First, I'm going to do the bottom part, add the glitter, make sure that it works fine, then do the rest of the shoe. Now the glue has been applied, I can pour on the glitter. The glitter I'm using was bought from just an ordinary craft store. I did buy 8 pots of the same glitter just in case, but I think 8 pots was way too much, you know, probably only really needed 1 pot. But they were 2 for £1, so I was like, well, let me just get 8 then, because I don't even know. But I've got the glitter then, I'm just going to go ahead and shake the pot of glitter over the area I've applied the glue to. Then shake the shoe to spread it around and make sure the glitter goes everywhere I want it to, including all of the small little gaps. Once the bottom area is completely done and covered in glitter, I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue to the rest of the yellow areas and then start putting the glitter on those parts as well. Once all of the glitter has been added, I'm going to mix the glue with a lot of water, then cover the glitter in the watery glue and dry them in front of a fan heater. The watery glue is basically going to seal them because anybody trying to wear shoes that have glitter that's just going to fall off, that's just it's just not it really. So I'm just going to have to add watery glue because I couldn't find a sealant or anything else to use. So hopefully that should work well. Now to clean them up, because the glitter went absolutely everywhere, it went all over the Vans swoosh and on the inside and stuff. Other than using a vacuum to clean them up, I've got to use paint to actually clean them up on the parts that it's literally stuck to, because on the swoosh, on the Vans swoosh, it got stuck to it. So to cover it up, I'm using thick white acrylic paint. Rather than using the normal Angelus Direct leather paint, I decided to go for much thicker paint to try and cover the glitter, because in some parts the glitter was super thick on there. Once I've painted the swoosh white again, I'm just going to use the black paint to clean up the edges. Before I can show you what they look like completely finished, I'm going to go ahead, lace them all the way up, and then I can go ahead and show you what they look like completely finished. You dig? That is the custom completely done. Christian Louboutin Inspired Vans Old Skools. You've got the spikes on the front, the gold glitter going around the shoe with that red bottom sole. Super fire in my opinion, but as always, make sure to let me know. Whoa! Almost dropped them. That would have been bad because the glitter might have fallen off. But as I was saying, as always, make sure to let me know in the comment section below, do you rock with them? Would you wear them? Let me know in the comment section below. Today's comment shout goes to the Life of JR. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. We are super close to 5,000 subscribers. So if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also, turn the bell 2 seconds notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci. Mix match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level. So see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike. May I just do it.